Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka liwe liwalo lazima niende USA. Ti miario yakwa ni miario yakorwo ikirekererio ni Rigathi wa Gachagua akiuga andu hakuhi na President William Ruto makoretwo magika uria wothe mangihota niguo kurugamia thabari yake nginyagia USA. Gachagua riu arauga liwe liwalo no nginyagia akinye US tondu kuri na maundu arenda gwika, maundu maria akorwo akiuga ni marahahura thirikari ya Ruto na nikereka uria wothe ingihota niguo kurugamia thabari iyo yake ya USA. Ivatol Gachagua arenda kumburania magigi megi thirikari ya William Ruto ari USA. We can only wait and see, but Gachagua akorwo agithaitha mbeu njithi aria makoretwo makirurungana magietha ihoto cia bururi na kuregana na utongoria wa Ruto matige mirurungano, akiuga Ruto ari na marakara maingi muno na guthie na mbere kuraga Gen Z. Gachagua akiuga Ruto nionanitie ndariri cia guthie na mbere na gukorwa kiuraga mbeu njithi.
A killer squad of 101 that works under the Director General of the National Intelligence Service, Nuruddin Haji, was armed with assault rifles and drove in a convoy of unmarked Subarus, shooting and killing innocent protesters aimlessly in the streets and estates.
Oroho Gachagua gicokeria President Ruto hakorwo akimwira gutire mundu uri na bata na kumuruta wathani-ini kugerera murango wa thutha, koguo atige ciigwatio, hakira kila Mkenya, kila kiongozi etereire githurano kia mwaka wa 2027. Koguo Gachagua korwo agithaitha mbeu njithi matige kururungana tondu Ruto ni ehitite kumanina tori akoretwo agika. Gachagua kira Gen Z moe kura ciao niguo maigate Ruto na githurano kinene giukite gia 2027. Gachagua akirira Kenya wona thi kure USA no maundu mathukane guku bururi-ini ni agukorwo agicokereria.
That the National Intelligence Service has procured Subarus to give an impression that this killer gang is from the DCI. The truth of the matter is that this has nothing to do with the DCI. This is the National Intelligence Service, and this squad of 101 people was formed when I was still in government. Officers were recruited from the Administration Police Unit for special training by NIS on abductions, killings, and cover-up. And this is a squad that is killing the people of Kenya.